नमस्कार. आज 15 ऑगस्ट 2025. आजपासून आपण फिजिकल सायन्सेसचे MCQ मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन्स फ्रॉम फिजिकल सायन्स रिव्हिजन घेणार आहोत. दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर इन केस ऑफ JEE, देन CET as well as 11, 12, 10th exam as well as graduation TET exams, and again it is used for SET exam, NET exam. Choose the correct answer. What force holds the nucleus together despite the repulsion force between the protons? The strong nuclear force. Check my answer. Right. Okay. Next, what do you call the total number of protons and neutrons in atoms of nucleus? You know about that. In a nucleus of atom, there are two constitution, one proton, another neutrons are the nucleons. The number of protons plus neutron is nothing but mass number. Check the answer. Right. Next, which of the following is true about protons? Protons have negative charge. Wrong. They have less mass than electron. Wrong, because electron is negligible mass. They have no charge. Wrong. They have a positive charge. Next, which particle has a mass approximate equal to 1 atomic mass unit? We know, we consider the proton have the 1 AMU mass. Check the answer. Which particle orbit around the nucleus of atom? Which particle orbits? Electron, definitely. Okay, electron revolve around the nucleus. Which part of the atom involved in a chemical reaction? That's why nucleus cannot involve in chemical reaction. Outermost part, that is electrons, are take part. What is the relative charge of proton? +1, you know. Then what is the electrical charge of an atom when it has equal number of proton and electron? It is a neutral. Okay, because number of protons, that is positive charge, equals to number of negative charge, get cancelled. What are the valence electron important for chemical bonding or stabilization of the atomic number determining no chemical bonding? Because valence electrons are takes place. What are isotopes? P. Number of protons are same. Atoms of different element having the same number of protons. Consider isotopes. P is last. Wrong answer. Atoms of same element, different number of neutrons. That is the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. What is the relative mass of neutron compared to proton? Approximately same. Okay. Then which of the following particles are considered subatomic particles? Which of the following particles are considered subatomic particles? Atoms and proton, neutrons and electrons are the subatomic particle. What is an anion? Anion is a negative charge. Okay. What is the approximate relative mass of electron? 1836, 1 upon. Okay, that is +1 equals to 18336. What do you call vertical column? Vertical column, you know, group. Next, which is an ion? An atom has gained or lost electron? S. Okay. What is the valence electron? An outermost shell of an atom, outermost shell, S. Which determine the identity of an element? The charge of an atom, the mass number, the number of neutrons, the number of protons. Identity, number of protons, that is equals to number of electrons. What is defined the atomic number of element? Number of protons again, or number of electrons also, but sure answer is proton. because electron gain or lose is proton. What is an cation? Cation is a positive charge. Okay. Which mass number of an atom? The total number of protons and neutrons. Then what happens to the atomic number of an atom lose a proton? It stays the same, it decreases by 1. It increases by 1. Okay. What is the charge of neutron? None. Neutral, that is none. What do you call atoms of the same element have the different number of neutrons? That is isotopes. Choose the smallest unit of an element that retain in chemical properties. Chemical properties, atom. Okay.